Hi there, and welcome to the Geonix channel. My name is Andrew. In this video we'll explore Tor Browser, one of the most well-known tools for anonymous and secure browsing. Tor is a free browser built on Firefox that routes your traffic through the Tor network. Every request passes through several nodes around the world, masking your real IP address and making tracking nearly impossible. Each session in Tor Browser is isolated from the previous one, meaning websites cannot track you through cookies or browser fingerprints. Some of Tor Browser's key strengths include maximum anonymity, with all traffic encrypted and passed through a chain of Tor nodes hiding your location and data, bypassing blocks and censorship, allowing access to websites restricted by providers or government agencies, even if they are unavailable in your country. Built-in tracking protection, automatically blocking scripts and trackers that might gather information about your activities. Minimize digital fingerprint, making all users appear the same to websites and making identification far more difficult. Integration with the .onion network, providing access to anonymous resources beyond the regular internet. Tor Browser is available for Windows, macOS, Linux, and Android, completely free. No extra extensions are needed for protection. It's all built in. Now let's launch the browser and examine its interface closely. When you first launch it, you can either connect directly to the Tor network or configure bridges. Special nodes used to bypass Tor blocks. An automatic connection option is also available. The main page is minimalistic: an address bar, a search field with a switch to private mode, tabs, and familiar navigation buttons with a standard context menu. Creating a new tab is simple. Click the plus sign at the top. Right-clicking on a tab gives you options like pinning or duplicating it. In the top left corner you can import bookmarks. In the top right you'll find a tab search and access to security settings. Here you can choose a protection level from standard to the strictest, which disables most scripts and multimedia. There is also a one-click option to reset your browsing identity. The three-line menu opens the main browser controls, including the settings menu. In general, you can adjust core preferences like language, appearance, and download locations. You can also change your homepage, select a search engine, manage privacy and security, including passwords and history, install extensions, though it's best to avoid unnecessary ones to maintain anonymity. It's important to remember, if your goal is a complete anonymity, avoid logging into personal accounts, such as Google or social media, while using Tor. Also, refrain from downloading files that might reveal your IP when open outside Tor. From this review, it's clear that Tor Browser is a great choice for those who value privacy, want to bypass restrictions and access anonymous resources. The only trade-off is that due to multi-layer encryption, page loading speed may be slower compared to regular browsers. If needed, you can also find information on our channel about the other specialized browsers that support multi-login with proxies. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, Geonix.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.